Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you one other Python package which you can extract the whois info data about a specific domain name. Uh, whois info is a very important data about domain or websites on the internet. You can find out who registered the domain, when the domain name was purchased, the expiration date, everything. And for this we haven't using any sort of API, so it's a free module inside Python. So let me show you the package name here. So first of all, you just need to go to this website and just search for this package, which is python-whois. This is actually the package name. The command is simple. Simply execute this command to install this. And now let me show you the specific example that I'm talking about. So once I run the script here, it will extract all the information and save it inside the CSV file. So if I run the script, you will see on the left hand side it will create a file which will be a CSV file of your domain name, and if you open this you will see all information regarding your domain name, who registered. So you can see hostinger, registered URL, this is your updation, creation, expiration date, when the domain name was purchased, when the domain name is expiring, what are the name servers. So it will return the name servers. As you can see in this case it's Cloudflare, status, everything, all such information will be returned. So let's suppose I take a different domain name, I say google.com. So once again if I execute this, you will see it will create another file here, google.csv. And if I try to open this now, you will see it will return the country, registrar, the state, the name servers, every. So you can do this unlimited number of times, so there is no restriction. It's a free open source module. And let me show you how to get started. So once you install this, it's very easy. Just create a simple Python script, and first of all you just need to import this module. So we simply say import whois, then we import the CSV module, and then here we specify which domain name you're working with. So let's suppose I say facebook.com, and then I simply find out this data whois. It contains this function whois, and we just provide the domain name. So now if I just print this, you will actually see this will return the JSON as I run this. So it will extract all this information inside this JSON response. As you can see, it is returning this JSON response. And now we can actually store this information inside a CSV file very easily. So you can simply say here, you can create a dictionary inside Python, so like this, and then we can create a simple file name, CSV file name. After that we can open this file name, and then just like this we can open a new file name, this, and then in write mode, and we can append all this data, very simple, and run a simple for loop, what are the keys and the values. And after that we can simply print out a statement that all your data has been successfully saved in the CSV file. So that's very simple Python script. You require the actual module, then you specify the domain name and pass this, it contains this function, and lastly we are saving it in the CSV file. So once again if you run the Python script, you will see a new file will be created, facebook dot. You will see if I try to open this, you will see it will contain information about facebook.com, who registered this, the company here, the expiration date, name server, everything, every information will be returned. So in this way you can use this module to actually extract the whois info data of a specific domain name. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.